Hello guys, my name is Armin. Today in our series Go Back to Basics in SketchUp, I want to introduce you to Follow Me tool. Follow Me tool is one of those tools that's not been used that much, but I want to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can use it to expedite the process of your modeling. So let's jump into SketchUp so we can see how we can leverage these good tools. For the Follow Me tool, first we want to take a look at the location. So you cannot find it on the default toolbar. It's only available on the large tool set, and we all know how we can get the large tool set. Also, it's available on the tool tab, Follow Me, and the shortcut key is Shift F. So just make sure you do that. So right now you can see I have like a few lines that are not connected to each other. And I have a shape. So follow me, basically you can extruding an object or face alongside a path or edge, right? So you can do two options. First, you can basically select and follow the path, and you can see it's gonna go around it, but the recommended way is to select the path. And right now, because I have multiple, I select all of them, weld edges, that is available in SketchUp 22 and after. And by clicking on the face, you can see it's gonna follow the whole path and create any shape that we want. It's just simple click, very fast, and it's gonna go from one side to the other side. And you can see this object is not grouped. So you're gonna get to the group object later, but for now, make sure the path is welded, everything connected, single click, everything goes. Let's go to a different shape. Let's say we have a shape and then we want to create a different angle. So you can select the lines, edges of the shape, or you can select the surface, right? So let's first start with selecting the surface. So I'm going to select the top, hit the follow me, and I'm going to say, let's follow this. So by quick click, it's going to create that shape. Let's just try the edges from the bottom. So I'm selecting, holding control, selecting all the lines. Just want to show you guys, you can do it in two ways, surface or lines. And yes, you can create this shape. Again, the shape that we have, the surface and edges are not grouped. It's basically just a create surface from just a line tool or rectangular tools, and then they are not grouped. You can also use Follow Me to create more complex objects. So right now we have these, let's say a rectangle, triangle shape, and we have a polygon. You can select, and you can see how easily, without even connecting those two shapes together, you can create complex shapes, right? So you simply click on the object, follow me, click on the base that you want, and it's going to basically follow the shape that you need. So we know that we can go alongside all the edges on the different side. We know if we can select the surface, it's going to follow that. So right now I just want to add a circle to this polygon that I have. I'm gonna get the center of it, and let's just try it this way. See how you can create complex geometry with just a Follow Me tool and a simple shape. So right now you can see how this is gonna look like, right? So this is gonna be really hard to draw if you are not using this. You can see it has a smooth edges, and you can have a really nice curve to it. Let's try something else. So I'm gonna just do the whole thing right now. Let's just select the surface. So basically you're gonna say this is the surface that I want you to follow, and then let's just select the outer shape so you can see how it's basically look like. So these are really complex geometry. It's going to take a little bit of time if you want to draw it, but if you use the Follow Me tool, you'll be able to draw all of these with a single click, and it's going to be really easy to draw all of that. So let's jump to the next, which is a group shape. So there's one note here. If you have two group objects, Follow Me is not going to work. So you have to have one of them exploded and the other one group. So if you have one item group, yes, you can use, but if you have two groups, you can see right now it's just giving me the anti-command and it's not going to select. So right now I need to explode this one, right? And then when I have the group, select the surface, go to follow me tool, on the group, go on edit, and then select the surface, and it'll basically create an object. And the good thing is the object is still grouped, so you can move it to the side, and then it's going to be kind of different, not attached to it. And it's going to be really, really helpful when you are drawing a building, doing your logistics. This is really helpful. And you can see the shape below, it's not grouped. If it's grouped, it's not going to work, so you have to explode one of the objects and just keep the other one as group so you can adjust later. So simply you can leave the other one, group the bottom, put it back on, and you're good to go. Continue on learning a different geometries. You can see right here I have a line. We did talk about it. If it's not connected, the best practice is just select all the paths that you have and then weld the edges together so you have a smooth path for the follow me tool. So right now I want to show that with one tool we can create a different object at the same time, right? Edit group, because it's group, click on it and you can see basically it's going to create that. You can use these for create pipes, duct banks, duct works, and everything that you want. You can basically select them, remove the top and bottom, and you have all the different shape that you want. Let me just go back and I show you. You can do it a different way. You can basically do it one by one. So select the path, edit group, and then right now, let's just select the circle. There you go. You just have the pipe. And if you want to kind of go back and then do it again, you need to select the lined path that we have, which is going to be under. Let me just select it over here. And then you can kind of go back to follow me tool, right click because it's grouped. And then let's just do this arc so you can see it. So this is the best way to do if you have a bunch of conduits, bunch of pipes, or you want to do a single pipe with a different shape or duct. Thank you guys for watching today's episode in Go Back to Basics series in SketchUp. If you like the content, please subscribe and leave a like, and let me know in a comment section down below if you are using this tool in a different way. I would like to put together a video that shows the tips and tricks that you use, and we can share it with everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.